Hey everyone, welcome to Beauty for the Win. Today I want to show you guys how to make your very own eyelash serum. All natural serum that is really easy to make and it's going to help your lashes grow a lot longer. This is a nightly thing. You're going to do this every single night, apply it on. Before we get started, there's two things you can do. You can use a empty mascara container. This is an empty clear mascara container with the wand, and I took the stopper out so it's easier to pour the oil in. You don't want to do that and you want to skip the hassle. You can always just use a small container to store this in and use a mascara wand. Okay, let's get started. Here I have 4 vitamin E capsules and a thumbtack that I will puncture them with. There's coconut oil and there's olive oil. Now, because everyone's containers are going to be different sizes, it's better just to do this in ratio instead of measuring. So in the tube here, I will be adding the 4 vitamin E capsules. That's the very first step. I have some melted coconut oil here. And I will be filling this to roughly halfway. Now the rest is going to be olive oil. I left a little bit of room here at the top because I do want to put the stopper in so that it doesn't overflow and overpour when I put this on my lashes. So I'm going to put the stopper back in and the brush goes in. And you want to shake this thoroughly to make sure that all of the oils mix together. And there we have it. That is your eyelash growth serum. And because you have the stopper on there, it makes it a lot easier because it comes out and there's no oil dripping. It's just a really nice coated brush that's going to coat your lashes and really help with that growth. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and good luck.